Experience business, networking, and inspiration, whatever your location. In the office, out and about, or at your home office. The following features are available on the platform to ensure you have a successful trade fair visit. Each participant starts in the lobby. Here's an overview of all the features as well as initial recommendations for relevant contacts, exhibitors, and upcoming scheduled trade fair items. Features include top experts on stage presenting on industry-relevant topics, live from Cologne, or streamed from locations throughout the world. The area Exhibitors and Products represents the counterpart to the exhibition hall. From here, you have access to the stands of the various exhibitors, the so-called showrooms. Eye-catching tiles containing the individual exhibitors' logos and information, simplifying orientation. All visitors who, for example, view your product presentations or visit your showroom are saved as leads in the back office. You can also download all the contacts you have gathered as a CSV file at any time. In the showroom, exhibitors provide relevant information on their companies, products, and services. On the product stage, exhibitors' product innovations and highlights are presented live or on demand. Visitors, exhibitors, top decision makers, purchasers, as well as industry experts and media representatives come together to chat at a virtual cafe, catch up with personal contacts, do some networking, or simply relax and have a natter, generating that familiar trade fair feeling. Participants and exhibitors should feel free to contact the Communication Center at any time and expand their network. In terms of networking, the Discovery Graph ensures networking with new contacts and achieving a direct exchange of ideas via the Communication Center is child's play.